Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your science sample paper with solutions.
Hello students, welcome back to NOF Science Champions League Class 2. In this video, we are going to solve sample paper 3 step by step. Listen carefully to each question and understand the explanation and flow. So, let's start with the question number 1. Question number 1. Plants do not give A. Oil, oxygen, cereals, B. Cereals, fruits, spices, C. Tea, eggs and oil, and D. Wood, vegetables and medicines. The correct answer is option C. Why? Because plants give us many useful things such as fruits, vegetables, cereals, oils, wood and even medicines. However, eggs are obtained from animals and not from plants. Since tea and oil come from plants but eggs do not, this group becomes incorrect. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 2. Which of the following groups belongs to seed from plants? 1. Spinach and tomato. 2. Lentils and wheat. 3. Corn and mint. Option A says 1, B says 3, C says 2 and 3, and option D says 2. The correct answer is option D. Why? Because seeds are parts of plants that grow into new plants. Lentils and wheat are both seeds that are used as food. Spinach and meat are leaves, while tomato is a fruit. Hence, only group 2 correctly contains seeds, making option D the correct answer. Our next question is question number 3. Select the correct statement about the given plant. A. It grows along the ground without support. B. It uses supports to grow upwards. C. It stands tall without any help. And D. It is very tiny and always live in water. So have a look at the image. And after looking at the image, the correct answer is option B. Why? Because the plant shown uses external support to grow upwards, which is a common feature of climbers. Climbers have a weak stem and cannot stand on their own. Therefore, they depend on walls, sticks or other plants for support. Hence, option B is correct. Our next question is question number 4. Which part of the plant makes food? A. Root, B. Stem, C. Leaves and D. Branches. The correct answer is option C. Leaves. Leaves prepare food for the plant by using sunlight, air and water. This process is called photosynthesis and happens mainly in the leaves. Roots absorb water and stems support the plant, but food is made only in leaves. Therefore, option C is correct. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 5. How is this animal different from most other birds? A. So let's have a look at this image. It is an image of bat. Option A says it lives in trees. B says it sleeps at night. Option C says it's a mammal like cat. And option D says it builds a nest to lay eggs. The correct answer is option C. It's a mammal like cat. The animal shown is different because it is actually a mammal and not a bird. Bats are mammal. Unlike birds, it does not lay eggs but gives birth to babies. Even though it can fly, it is classified as a mammal. So the correct answer is option C. Our next question is question number 6. A gardener noticed that leaves of some plants are eaten up, as you can see in the image. Which of these animals ate the leaves? A. Bird, it enjoys tearing leaves. B. Caterpillar, it gets food from it. C. Mosquito, it gets energy from leaves. And D. Squirrel, it does not like leaves. The correct answer is option B, that is caterpillar. Caterpillars feed on leaves and often damage plants by eating them. Mosquitoes suck blood, birds eat grains or insects, and squirrels eat nuts. Therefore, the animal that eats leaves is caterpillar, making option B the correct answer, which is caterpillar. Our next question is question number 7. What does this road sign indicate? So let's have a look at this sign. Option A says no entry, option B says no parking, option C says stop, and option D says horn prohibited. The correct answer is option A, which is no entry. The given road sign shows a restriction where vehicles are not allowed to enter. Such signs are used to maintain road safety and traffic rules. Since it clearly indicates entry is not allowed, option A is correct. The next question is question number 8. Select the correct analogy. A. Bird, sky as rock is to earth. B. Fish is to swimming as chair is to eating. C. Plant is to sunlight as car is to petrol. And D. Animal is to growth as ball is to rolling. So the correct analogy is option C. Why? Because plant needs sunlight to make food just like car needs petrol to run. This analogy matches the relationship of requirement and usage. The other options do not show a meaningful comparison. Therefore, option C is correct, which is plant is to sunlight and car is to petrol. Our next question is question number 9. Kavi ate cookies, now she has stomachache. Which organ not doing its work? A. Brain, B. Lungs, C. Kidneys, and D. Stomach. The correct answer is option D, which is stomach. The stomach helps in digestion of food. If digestion is not happening properly, it can cause stomachache. Since the problem is related to digestion, the organ involved is the stomachs. So the correct answer is option D. Our next question is question number 10. What will happen when you read a book in dim light? A. Brain will stop working. B. Stomach will feel hungry. C. Eye will be tired. And D. Body will start aching. The correct answer is option C. Eye will get tired. Reading in dim light puts strain on the eyes. As a result, eyes feel tired and uncomfortable. It does not affect the brain or stomach directly. So the correct answer is option C. Eye will be tired. Moving on to the next question. Question number 11. Choose the hardest organ of the body. A is a stomach, B is a brain, third is an image of legs, and fourth is an image of rib cage. So the correct answer is option D. Why? Because the picture, which is of rib cage, which are the hardest part of the human body. This helps us protect our heart, lungs, and other internal organs. So the correct answer is option D. Our next question is question number 12. If you want a healthy body, you need to A. Keep lungs healthy, B. Eat healthy food, C. Rest at times, and D. All of these. The correct answer is option D. All of these. A healthy body needs a combination of good food, proper rest, and healthy organs. Only one habit is not enough to stay fit. Therefore, following all these habits together keeps the body healthy, making option D the correct option. Our next question is question number 13. Dash is an organ of hearing. A. Ears, B. Nose, C. Skin, and D. Eyes. The correct answer is option A. Ears. Ears help us hear sound from our surroundings. They are sense organ responsible for hearing. Hence the correct answer is ears. Our next question is question number 14. What would you choose to get energy? First is an drink, second is water, third is an orange juice, and fourth is a tea. So the correct answer is option A. Why? Because the food shown in option A provides energy to body. It is a caffeine. So every energy foods help us work, play, and stay active throughout the day. Therefore option A is the correct option. Question number 15th. Which group contains only energy giving foods? A. Rice bread, B. Butter and carrot, C. Carrot and rice, and D. Rice and butter. The correct answer is option A, which is rice and bread. Rice and bread are rich in carbohydrates which give energy to our body. Carrot is a protective food and butter is fatty. Hence the correct pair of energy giving food is rice and bread. Our next question is question number 16. Milk is complete food. It A. gives energy, B. helps to grow, C. keeps healthy, and D. all of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. Milk provides energy, helps in body growth, and keeps us healthy. Since it contains many important nutrients, it is called a complete food. Therefore, option D is correct. All of these. Next question is question number 17th. Roy is going for Christmas party. What should he choose to wear? A. Scarf and raincoat. B. Jacket and scarf. C. Raincoat and cotton dress. D. Jacket and dress. The correct answer is option B, that is jacket and scarf. Christmas comes in winter, so warm clothes are needed. Jacket and scarf help keep the body warm. So the correct answer is option B, that is jacket and scarf. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 18th. Select the process after spinning fiber during making cloth. Option A, option B, option C, or option D. The correct answer is option D, that is cutting. You cut after spinning. Our next question is question number 19th. Where do you wear traditional clothes? A. School, B. Office, C. Festivals, or D. Meetings. The correct answer is option C. Traditional clothes are usually worn during festivals and special occasions. They represent culture and traditions. Therefore, option C is correct. Our next question is question number 20. Which of these activities is not related to the house maintenance? A. A girl cleaning a door. B. A boy making his bed. C. A boy studying. And D. A boy cleaning his house. The correct answer is option C. House maintenance include cleaning, repairing, and caring for the house. The activity that is shown in option C, that is studying, does not maintain a house. So the correct answer is option C. Question 21. Which of these activities are enjoyed in a family? A. Birthday celebrations. B. Sharing work. C. Storytelling. Or D. All of these. The correct answer is option D. All of these. Families enjoy celebrating together, sharing responsibilities, and spending time through stories. All these activities strengthen family bonds. Therefore, option D is correct. Our next question is question 22. Choose the incorrectly matched pair. A. 25th December is Santa Claus. B. Holi to crackers. C. Bihu to Assam. And D. Eid to Sevaya. The incorrect option is option B, which is Holi to crackers. Holi is a festival of colors, not crackers. Crackers are usually associated with Diwali. Hence option B is incorrectly matched. Our next question is question 23. Onam is a dash festival. A. Religious. B. National. C. Harvest. Or D. None. The correct answer is option C. It is an harvest festival in Kerala. It marks the harvesting season as it is related to agriculture. The next question is question number 24. Kids of your maternal uncle are A. Friends, B. Neighbors, C. Cousins, and D. Siblings. The correct answer are option C. Children of your uncle or aunt are called cousins. They are part of your extended family. So the correct answer is option C. Next question is question 25th. Safety goggles are to eyes as dash is to head. A. Helmet, B. Shoes, C. Scarf, and D. Hat. The correct answer is option A. Safety goggles protect eyes just like the helmets protects head. Both are safety equipments. So the correct answer is option A. Next question is question 26th. Which of these habits will make you sick? A. Chicken. B. Eating junk food. C. Washing hands. And D. Eating watermelon. The correct answer is option B. The habit shown in option B is unhealthy and can cause illness. Good habits keep us healthy, while careless habits make us sick. Therefore, option B, eating junk food, is correct answer. The next question is question 27th. Identify the unsafe behavior. A. driving with a seat belt on, B. riding with a helmet on, and C. driving car while on a mobile phone, and option D. crossing a road on zebra crossing. So the unsafe behavior is option C. You should never be on call while driving. Question number 28. What would you do if you see a broken swing in a playground? A. Play on the swing. B. Run near the swing. C. Slide down the slide. And D. Inform the gardener. The correct answer is option D. Inform the gardener. A broken swing can cause serious injuries. Informing an adult help prevent accidents. Therefore, option D is the safest action. Question number 29. Which of these is not the use of air? A. Air moves. B. Air fill balloons. C. Air fills tires. And D. Air help in moving. The correct answer is option D. All the three, A, B and C, are the uses of air. But option D, air help in moving, is not the use of air. So correct answer is option D. The next question is question 30. Your family wants to help reduce air pollution. What can you suggest? A. Use bicycle instead of cars. B. Cut down trees for firewood. C. Burn plastic waste. D. Keep windows closed all day. The correct answer is option A. Using bicycles reduces smoke from vehicles and helps keep air clean. Cutting trees and burning plastic increases pollution. Hence, option A is correct. Next question is question 31. Trees help to dash air. A. Grow. B. Clean. C. Pollute. And D. Make. The correct answer is option B. Trees release oxygen and absorb harmful gases. This helps clean the air and keep the environment healthy. So the correct answer is option B. Next question is question 32. Which of these causes air pollution? A. Tree. B. Playground. C. Factory. And D. Garden. The correct answer is option C. Factories release smoke and harmful gases into the air. This causes air pollution. Hence, option C, factory, is correct. The next question is question 33. What is the most important use of water? A. Drinking water. B. Cleaning floor. C. Washing clothes. And D. Watering plants. The correct answer is option A, which is drinking water. Drinking water is essential for survival. Other uses are important but not more important than drinking. Therefore, option A is correct. Question 34. Which process helps us getting clouds? A. Wasting water. B. Storing water. C. Water saving. And D. Water cycle. The correct answer is option D. Clouds are formed through the water cycle. Evaporation and condensation plays major role in a water cycles. So the correct answer is option D, that is water cycle. Next question is question 35th. Identify the source of safe drinking water. A. River. B. Well. C. Pond. And D. Ocean. The correct answer is option B, that is well. Well water is usually clean and safe and properly maintained. River and pond water may be polluted, so the correct answer is option B, that is well. The next question is question 36th. Soil is to plants as water is to dash. A. Air. B. Animals. C. Life. And D. Rocks. The correct answer is option C. Soil supports plant life just like water supports all living beings. Without water, life cannot exist. So water is to life. Our next question is question 37th. Which of these is not a member of our solar system? A. Orion. B. Venus. C. Jupiter. And D. Saturn. The correct answer is option A. Orion is a constellation, not a part of a solar system. Venus, Jupiter and Saturn are planets. Therefore, option A is correct. Question number 38. Which of the following is called the evening star? A. Mars. B. Pole star. C. Venus. And D. Jupiter. The correct answer is option C. Venus shines brightly in the evening sky and is called the evening star. So the correct answer is option C. Next question is question 39. Which of these is not a planet? A. Mars, B. Moon, C. Jupiter, or D. Mercury? The correct answer is option B. Moon is a natural satellite of Earth, not a planet. Therefore, option B is correct. And last question is question number 40. Sun is to day as moon is to dash. A. Stars, B. Light, C. Night, and D. Planet. The correct answer is option C. The sun gives light during the day while the moon shines at night. Hence, the correct relationship is sun to day and moon to night, making option C the correct answer. So students, great job. You have completed sample paper 3 with full understanding, and keep practicing and stay confident. See you in the next sample paper. Till then, all the best.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.